What if land was water and water was land? Total disaster. Imagine a world where land is no longer solid, ground beneath our feet, but instead a vast and treacherous expanse of water. Picture a reality where the familiar comfort of dry land has been replaced by the unpredictable chaos of constantly shifting tides. This would indeed be a total disaster, stirring upheaval and havoc in every aspect of our lives. First and foremost, the loss of solid ground would disrupt our most basic human needs. The very foundations of our homes and buildings would crumble, leaving us exposed and vulnerable to the merciless waters. The infrastructure we rely on for transportation, communication, and everyday conveniences would be rendered useless, disappearing beneath the waves. Streets, highways, and bridges that once connected us would
now serve
as mere obstacles in our struggles to survive. But the devastation would not end there. Imagine the countless species of plants and animals that rely on land for their survival. Entire ecosystems would be thrown into disarray as habitats vanish and the delicate balance of nature
is shattered.
The countless creatures that call our planet home would be forced to adapt or face inevitable extinction. The loss of biodiversity would have far-reaching consequences,
disrupting the intricate web of life
that sustains us all. Moreover, agriculture,
the backbone of our civilization, would cease to exist as we know it. Crops that nourish us would be lost,
and fertile farmland would be
submerged in the watery depths. Food scarcity would become a stark reality, leading to widespread famine
and suffering. The very survival of human civilization would hang in the balance as we struggle to find new ways to feed our ever-growing population. Even our economies would crumble under the weight of such a catastrophe. Land-based industries such as manufacturing, construction, and mining would collapse, further exacerbating unemployment and poverty. Coastal cities, once vibrant and prosperous, would be left in ruins, their economies utterly devastated. The ripple effect would be felt across the globe, plunging the entire world into economic turmoil. In such a nightmarish scenario, the impact on human lives would be immeasurable. Families torn apart, communities uprooted, and homes lost forever. Devastation and tragedy would become a part of our daily lives as we struggle to adapt to this new and unforgiving reality. The bonds that hold us together as a society would be tested to their limits as we face the uncertainty and chaos that this total disaster brings. The notion of land being water and water being land may seem inconceivable, but its consequences would be dire. Our world, as we know it, would crumble, leaving us to navigate an unfamiliar and treacherous terrain. It is a distressing thought, one that reminds us of the fragility of our existence and the critical importance of preserving and protecting the delicate balance of our planet.